couldn't believe that. You want him. No, you want him. You want him, but when you find out say, have a baby mother that crush your program. That is how it go. Not really busy with it still, but that's just how it go. Alright, my girl. You want him. You want him. You want him. You want him. You want him, and when you work out, because it tells him a baby mother. You're like, no, we know the blood clot game. We know the game. No chance to fall over when I see somebody on the internet and like them. Because I'm young and I'm not ugly. Stop pretending him not right and she not right either. She talk about money and give him because she like him. If I said to you, baby, I want $8,000 to buy a car. If you don't want me, you're not going to say they go give me. You know, so I'm going to give a man one look money to buy a local car. You understand? If you is a gifter, because you should tell him say, no, you should tell him say, she tell you, she say, she not forgive nobody. And then him say no go so a pure blood clot story. But all I'm concerned that the story the people I don't see truth. Louise and Abel did in a some romantic something. If me know why you with the fuck you tell me I would picture for. Guys, make me to the galaxy, I'm gonna sleep here, man. Me done. If me know why you send me under you twice. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. No, she has say a scam. If me don't want you, why would me take your picture from under you twice? Of course, there are in something. Nobody's stupid. You charge your money and you shoot to put him on the podium. If the shooting is getting too much, and you said, okay, then this shooting is getting too much, right? And you're a big gifter. And the shooting is getting too much to you. And you don't give you time to skin. Stop shoot. Block him off of your phone. Block him off of your TikTok. But I'll watch them a blood clot hypocrite because if me know say able a chat me, if me in a Roger shoes and me know say able a chat me, and the gifter come tell me say able a chat me, right there and then tomorrow morning me a blood clot come by my life come say able, why you telling you Louise not to come gift me and you alone? Me now wait until it's sour and in the argument about me now wait tomorrow morning as my light, as daylight.